Actors like Punit Rajkumar, Chiranjeevi, Siddharth Shukla and comedian Raju Srivastav lost their life while gymming. Stage artist collapses on stage while performing and dies due to heart attack in Jammu. 20-year-old dies due to heart attack while dancing. So, why are the youth today more vulnerable to heart attacks than the previous generation? Hello everyone, I Dr. Bhagya welcome you to a series to maintain a healthy heart. And our today's topic is why young adults are getting heart attack nowadays. So according to Stanford's University study, South Asian people including Indians have a 40% higher mortality rate due to heart attacks than the people from the rest of the world. 50% of heart attacks in India occur to those below 50 years of age. Heart attack is often associated with older people. However, the fact is that heart attack can strike any person at any age. There are several factors contributing to heart attack in young adults, including sedentary lifestyle, lack of sleep, long sitting hours, smoking, intake of alcohol, and stress, high levels of cholesterol and triglycerides, high blood pressure, obesity, unhealthy lifestyle and unhealthy diet, and high intensity workout. The age group who is often indulged in unhealthy lifestyle and habits like smoking, alcohol, and remain ignorant of the fact that they too are at risk of developing some serious illnesses. Appearing healthy from outside does not assure perfect health. Nowadays, the heart ailments or the disorders that lead to heart problems such as hypertension, high levels of cholesterol or triglycerides are being noticed in the people who are in their 20s, 30s or 40s. Some people in their 20s start developing heart blockages due to genetics or bad cholesterol. And in such a state, if the person puts his body through an extreme workout, that heavy physical exertion can trigger the formation of blood clots near the blockages and lead to heart attack. If there is a pre-existing heart condition that has not been diagnosed yet, then excessive exercise can damage the heart further and bring on heart attack. Unregulated weight training can thicken the heart muscles and unprescribed supplements can trigger the arrhythmia. So friends, it is very important to check the condition of your heart before heavy exercise, heavy dancing और जिमिंग. अपनी हार्ट की कंडीशन को आपको चेक करना है, कहीं वहाँ पे कोई ब्लॉकेजेस तो नहीं. अगर ब्लॉकेजेस हैं तो अगर आप हैवी वर्कआउट करोगे तो ब्लॉकेजेस के बगल में ही आपको ब्लड क्लॉट्स होने के चांसेस होता है, जो आपकी हार्ट को ब्लड सप्लाई अच्छे से नहीं कर पाएगा, जिसके वजह से हार्ट अटैक होने के चांसेस होता है. इसलिए कितने लोगों को जिम में या हेवी वर्कआउट करते वक्त, डांस करते वक्त या परफॉर्मेंस करते वक्त हार्ट अटैक हो चुका है. एंड इट्स ऑलवेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हार्ट. सो कंक्लूजन इज, नो मैटर हाउ यंग यू आर, इट इज़ नॉट टू अर्ली टू स्टार्ट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर हार्ट. सो टेक केयर ऑफ योर हार्ट. थैंक यू.